Hello, welcome. Let me ask how many of the episodes you have watched so far on the trigonometry. If you are not following keenly from episode 1 to episode number 40, I will indulge you to check my playlist on YouTube and the playlist which is trigonometry. I think this will be episode number 40 plus the previous one, making almost episode 70 on the trigonometry. So here we are still picking double angles, and in that double angle we have a question to prove. We have to prove that sine 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan squared theta. So this is the double angle aspect we are having here, and this aspect will also be like the compound angles that we did. So I am going to pick the right and prove to get the left. Okay, so let me write the question again. No need, I think I will just go ahead having my 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus what? Tan square what? Theta. Now, if you look at this denominator carefully, if you remember the identities that we did, let me see, recall, we have the sine square theta plus cos square what? Theta equals to 1. So now if I divide this one by cos, let's say if this is divided by cos square theta, you can see that this will cancel. This is just going to be sine divided by cos, give us tan. So this is tan square theta plus 1 all equals, so this is the inverse of cos. And inverse of cos is sec. So we have sec square theta. I believe you can see this right here, showing here, 1 plus tan square theta. So the whole of this can be replaced with this, as in the denominator. Then the top is also coming from here, sine over cos. So this become 2 multiplying the sine theta divided by the cos theta, all divided by the whole of this become what? The sec square what? Theta. I guess we get to the point that you understand, right? This is taken from here, from the identity. What do? We are having double division here, so we can rewrite this back to its inverse. This very one back to its inverse. So I should be having 2 sine theta over cos theta. So like, okay, let me go this way, divided by 1 over cos square what? Theta. This is double division. So this can become what we are having here, and this is having the inverse in this form. So fast forward, I should have my 2 sine theta cos theta multiplication cos square theta divided by 1. If you reciprocate that, the 2 of these 1, so it will go there and cancel. So when that cancel, I should be left with 2 sine theta multiplying cos what? Theta. And if you remember the double identity, this is the expansion for sine 2 what? Theta. So you can see this is the same as this. If we're given this is how you expand it, and that is what we are having at the left. So I can say that therefore my sine 2 theta is the same as what? 2 tan theta divided by what? 1 plus tan square what? Theta. We have to prove that the left equals to the right, and I think we have done that by proving the right to be equal to the left. If we can prove the left to be the right, I think I'll also appreciate that in the comment section if the left can be proved to give us the right. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.